Hello guys, it's Johnny time. Welcome to another DeFi tutorial, and today we are going to learn what is MetaMask, how to download it to your browser, and how to use it. But before we begin, please make sure that you are subscribed and hitting the bell button below the video so you can see all the tutorials and the news about DeFi, decentralized finance, and the crypto world. So what is MetaMask? MetaMask is basically a decentralized wallet that can enable you to hold tokens on the Ethereum blockchain and also other blockchains like Binance Smart Chain. So what decentralized means? It means that actually you hold the funds, you're responsible for your funds and no one else. It's not like a bank, it's not like an exchange where you hold your funds on some kind of record in a database and you are trusting this exchange to give you the funds one day when you want to withdraw them. It's like a physical wallet, it's your wallet, and it's your responsibility to back up and recover and store in a safe place the private key or the seed phrase in order to recover it. So let's start to see how we can download MetaMask. Basically, MetaMask in its default form comes as a Chrome/Brave browser/Firefox browser extension. So you will have to download this as an extension to your browser to interact with decentralized apps that enable you to use Web 3.0. Also, MetaMask comes as an application. You can download it as an app to iPhone or Android, and then using the app you can hold tokens in your smartphone and also interact with decentralized applications with Web 3.0 using a browser that is built in on the app. But today we're not going to cover the app, but only the browser extension. So you can basically go to Google and search for MetaMask. The first result will be the main website of MetaMask, but we want to go directly to the Chrome web store. Make sure that you download the right MetaMask extensions. And here you can go on the Chrome web store. We can download and add to Brave or Chrome or Firefox, whatever it will be, and basically download the extension into our browser. Now, once you download it, you can click here on the extension and then hit the pin button, so it will be always here. But now we need to get started. This is cool animation by MetaMask, this cute fox that is following my mouse, which is nice. But I'm just gonna click get started and open a wallet. So you have two options right now. If you already have a seed phrase and you have another MetaMask from the past, you can recover and import your wallet using this seed phrase, but we do not have a wallet right now, so we're going to create a new wallet. This one, setting data to MetaMask, I will click no. If you want to send data, click I agree. And now you will have to pick your password. This password will be used in order to encrypt the private key of your wallet inside the MetaMask memory extension. This password will be required in order to unlock the wallet every time that you want to open the browser and send transactions. So it's very important for you to keep the password safe. With that said, if someone steals this password, he still would not be able to steal your funds unless you have physical access or remote access to your computer. The more important thing is the private key and the seed phrase. But this password is another mechanism to keep your seed phrase and private key safe and secure. So it's also important to remember this password. So I'm just gonna pick a random password and continue moving on. Agree the terms of service, create. That's it. That's nice. Now here you have these secret words. This is the most important thing. If someone has this seed phrase, it means that he can recover your wallet and steal all your tokens. So make sure that you keep it in a safe place. Maybe I will make another video in the future of some ideas how to store it safely and securely. But for now, we're gonna reveal it. Copy it. I'm gonna censor it in the video, but I'm gonna copy the phrase. Basically, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 different words. So in the next step, you will have to verify the words on the right order. So I'm just gonna verify it right here. You need to do the same once you open a new wallet. So I will verify the words one by one. Give me a moment. Not this one. Okay, go back. Never mind. Doesn't let me take it back. Okay. mm. Okay, done. Once you're done to assemble the words in the right order, click confirm and congratulations, you have a new wallet. This is your wallet. Here you can see that by default you are connected to Ethereum mainnet. This is the main blockchain of Ethereum. Here you can see you can manage your accounts, you can create new accounts, import accounts, or maybe connect hardware wallet. Also, we'll have another video how to connect hardware wallet to Metamask to make your wallet much more secure. Right now I have 0 Ethereum, but if I want I can send Ethereum to this wallet address. This is my wallet address. I can copy it to clipboard and then give it to someone that will send me Ether, or send myself from another wallet, maybe from an exchange. Make sure that when you send wallets to this address, you are sending tokens that are compatible with ERC20. These are the Ethereum tokens, Ethereum blockchain tokens. If you will send Bitcoin to this address, it will not work. So make sure when you send tokens to this address, it's either on Ethereum blockchain ERC20 compatible tokens. So you can basically use this address to send tokens. Also, you can send tokens. Right now I don't have any tokens to send, but basically I can copy and paste and send my tokens anywhere I want. Right here you can see all your assets. So if you will have more tokens, you can see them here. Sometimes you might have tokens that you will not see them. You will need to have the tokens. For example, BTC. So I can add wrap BTC next, and now I will have also tracking this token as well. Sometimes also the tokens will not appear under the search tokens, so you can add a custom token. Maybe I will make another tutorial of how to use this feature. Also here under activity you can see all the transactions. Right now it's a brand new wallet, so we don't have any transactions. But now once we install the wallet, we can basically interact with any decentralized app with Web 3.0 on Ethereum. For example, we can go to Uniswap. Uniswap is decentralized exchange that lets us swap tokens from one to another in a decentralized way. So now, once we have the Metamask wallet, we can basically connect it to any decentralized app. Click next, connect. That's it, we are connected. It shows us now that this address is being connected, and now we can use this interface and send transactions using this Metamask wallet that we just installed to send transaction through this web application, which is Uniswap. I have another tutorial that shows how to add Binance Smart Chain to Metamask, because by default it comes only with Ethereum blockchains. So I will put another tutorial in the link in the link in the description below, so make sure you can check it out if you want to connect Metamask to Binance Smart Chain. And that's about it. Congratulations guys, you have Metamask wallet. Now you can interact on Ethereum blockchain, Binance Smart Chain with decentralized application using Web 3.0 and start getting into the decentralized finance world. So good luck, have a great time, and make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Ask questions in the comments below if you don't understand something. I will be more than happy to explain. Thank you and have a great weekend.